Hi guys, today we are here to teach you about the Popplet app. This is a way to create good classroom interaction while at the same time viewing graphic organizers in a whole new way. First, we will show you how to use Popplet and view all the features it has to offer. Then we will demonstrate through a compare and contrast lesson.
So Popplet can either be used on a computer or an iPad. It is great for graphic organizers, note-taking, and mind mapping. You can make an account for free or pay for any upgraded packages. It does require a password, but you can easily set that up before your students go to use it for the Learning Center. So now to go through of how to use Popplet and all of its features that it has. So to make a Popplet, you click this little tab right here that says Make New Popplet. And then it gives you an option to name it. I'll just go ahead and name this a sample. And then you can choose any color that you'd like the page to be. We'll go ahead and go with blue. While you're on this page, if you decide that you don't like the color, you can change it at any time. On the Popplet, you make little popples is what they call them, and you click on the little tab and say New Popple. If you don't want the name to be on there, you can remove it. You go to View and then Show Name Tag and take it off. On the Popple, you can also change the color. You click on the little Popple picture and you can change it to whatever color you like. Now to go on to what you can do inside of the Popplet. So first, it automatically shows you that you can type your text in here on the Popplet. You can change the size of the text, whether you want it to be smaller or bigger. And then also another feature that you can do in the Popplet is you can also draw pictures on the Popplet. And then you can also clear the drawing if it wasn't what you liked. You can also add pictures from your computer that you've downloaded onto the Popplet. And then you can also paste in web links onto the Popplet that will hyperlink them automatically, and then you can just click to take you where you need to go. To make a new Popplet, it's very simple. You just click the little side dots and it automatically makes you a new Popplet. You can also change each square and it will change only that square's color. If you need to make another Popplet or Popple, you can drag lines to each Popple to connect them. It will connect every Popplet. So this was just a short tutorial on how to use Popplet and all it has to offer.
Next, I will show you a finished product we created on how Popplet can be used in your classroom. We used the books Goodnight Moon and Goodnight iPad for this compare and contrast graphic organizer activity. As you can see, we use the blue and the green and the gray popples to compare and contrast Goodnight Moon and Goodnight iPad. The blue popples show the differences and so do the green popples, whereas the gray popples show the similarities of both books.
We hope that this tutorial has helped and that you will use the Popplet app in your future classroom with your students. Thanks for watching this video from future teachers Caitlin and Brenda.